Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub support team, and today I'm going to walk you through how to delete a contact in OnceHub using our API. Using the API to delete contacts is helpful if you are managing contacts programmatically or keeping your OnceHub data clean and up to date. It allows you to remove contacts directly from your OnceHub account without needing to do it manually from the OnceHub contacts section. Here, I have signed in to my OnceHub account. To access the API section, I'll click on the gear icon and go to Account Integrations. I'll select Automation and then click on API and Webhooks. As I will need this API key, I will copy it from here and then click on Visit a Developer Center to access our developer site. In this drop-down, we'll select Booking Calendars and then click on Contacts and then click on List All Contacts. As each contact in OneSub has a unique contact ID, this contact ID is required in order to delete a specific contact using our API. So I'll click on Test Request here and then paste our API key and hit Send. Okay, so let's say for today's example, I'm going to delete a particular contact, which is this one, daw@example.com. So let's find this contact in the contact list. You can see the very first one. So we need to copy the contact ID. We have the list of all our contacts here. So to copy the contact ID, we'll search for the ID here. This is the one. I'll copy it. Then we'll click on Delete a Contact option and then click on Test Request again. Here you will see our API value is already there. So we'll need the ID which we copied. I'll just paste it here and then click on Send. Okay. So once it's done, we'll come back to the OneSub account and you can just refresh this page. And you will see the contact is no longer there. It's always a good idea to double check the contact ID before sending the delete request, especially if you are deleting contacts in bulk. Once the request is completed, the contact will no longer appear in the OneSub contact list. And that's how you can delete a contact using our API. If you have any questions or need help testing your API requests, our support team is always here to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.